Tired of chasing down your team's timesheets? Let's ditch the chaos and get those reports where they need to be, fast. First, log into your Clockify account. Once you're in, navigate to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. This is your control center for creating and sharing those vital timesheets. Now, define the period you want to report on. Use the date range selector at the top to pick the start and end dates. Make sure it accurately reflects the time frame needed for the timesheet. Time to get specific. Use the filters to narrow down the data. You can filter by user, project, client, or even tags. This is key for sending targeted reports to specific project owners or managers. For instance, select the project owner's project to filter by. Ready to share? Click the Export button at the top right. You'll see different file formats: PDF for a professional document, CSV for spreadsheet analysis, or Excel for more in-depth manipulation. Select your preferred format. Finally, compose an email to the project owner or manager. Attach the exported timesheet file in the email body. Provide a brief overview of the report and any key highlights they should be aware of. Hit send, and you're done. They have the timesheet. And that's it. You've successfully generated and shared a Clockify timesheet. For more Clockify tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.